Now then, we're going to go for the loin and breast now. So I'll just open that up for you there. So the first job is to remove the kidneys. So we just take those two little beauties out. I mean, to be honest, they were roughly the size of pig's kidneys. They were. And now we're taking all this excess fat out inside the cavity there. It's a little bit of liver left in the slaughtering process. Let's take all that excess fat off the top of the fillets. So now we're going to saw the loin in half. This takes a bit of time, this. Of course, you've got to remember the line, so you've got to keep a nice central cut going all the way down through. You just got to really keep going at it, really. Of course, if this was a normal sized lamb, it would have been through this about a minute ago. So there we go. And then just through we go. Bit of a scrape. I do believe in a moment I'll take the spinal cord out. That's what I normally do. But before I do that, I just saw the breast off. Although you see me taking the spinal cord out just with the tip of the knife there. Just ensures a bit of an eating experience. Do the same again on the other side. Now I've got to say, this mule, it was a particular delight to work with. It was really nice. It was lovely meat. Lovely layer of fat. Beautiful bark. So the breasts are just a simple debone and roll. What I'm doing there is just taking away that membrane off the top. When you cook this, if you leave the membrane on, it can make it shrink up. So you just take that away. And now I'm just removing that skirt. And just take away that breastbone there. So now I could sheet these bones out, but I've decided to take them out singly, just to utilise all those finger muscles. So I'm just cutting down each rib bone and taking away the cartilage bone on the end as well. I'm just checking, make sure there's no cartilage left inside. Bring that back up. And that'll go for rolling a bit later on. So now do exactly the same with the other one. So away with that end strip, away with the membrane. You notice I cut that first because you can't pull all the membrane off in one go. It comes off in two sections. So first section, there's the second section. So obviously a little bit of bone on the end there that I'm not happy with. So we'll single bone these rib bones out again. When I used to bone bacon, I used to put that left hand behind my back because your knife used to slip out quite a lot and just catch your fingers. So it's not as bad on lamb breast. It's a good check over. Make sure I've not left anything in there. And then we're going to go on to these loins. And we're bringing another tool here. This is what they call a fat basher. And they normally use this on beef cod fat. But I'm going to use it for knocking a steak knife down through the joints. Now this will give us even chops. And lovely thick chops as well. It's just an alternative way of doing it. Of course you can cut these down if you want. It's only a gentle tap through the lamb. You can do it by hand as well. But I do prefer this method. It's a little bit safer. So you're just putting your knife in every vertebral disc, really. That's what it is. So take the steak knife. Look at those. Beautiful. So there you have it, guys.